I'm Colin Singer, immigration lawyer and managing partner of Immigration.ca. Canada Immigration News Articles, June 2014. Canada's small business optimism reaches highest point in 2 years. Small business operators in Canada are seeing a period of optimism, the likes of which has not been seen in more than 2 years. According to a recent survey, such optimism almost indicates levels of consistent economic growth. According to the Canadian Federation of Independent Business, its Business Barometer index rose for a second straight month to a reading of 67.1 in May, a gain of 1.4 points from April's reading. This month's positive response is the strongest since March 2012, when the index was at 67.7. A reading higher than 50 indicates a majority of small business owners are optimistic about expectations of performance in the coming year and outnumber those anticipating weaker growth. According to Admir Kolaj, an economic analyst at TD Economics, an index level between 65 and 70 is typically in line with an economy growing at its potential. The May reading on small business confidence is consistent with economic growth likely to hold steady at a rate of at least 2% throughout 2014. May's strong optimistic outlook was spread across 7 of Canada's 10 provinces, while business owners in Ontario, Saskatchewan, and Newfoundland and Labrador were the only ones to indicate less optimism in May than in the previous month, although their readings were still around the 65 level or more. New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island remained steady or slightly higher, but still below the 60-point level. Ted Mallett, CFIB's Vice President and Chief Economist, says, owners in business services, natural resources, information, and retail are the most optimistic. Business owners in hospitality, wholesale, agriculture, and manufacturing are the least optimistic, but not by a large margin. Signals from other indicators are showing strength as well. Following a bleak winter, unfilled orders and accounts receivables have picked up, while capital spending plans remain near post-recession highs. Similarly, full-time hiring plans are at a high compared to May levels in previous years. After the severe winter months, the more positive small business responses in April and May paint a very hopeful picture for the second quarter. The improving weather conditions will only continue to lift confidence in industries such as retail, transportation, and hospitality. Source: Financial Post.